Hello all, welcome to the lecture on basics of automobile engineering. Today we are going to see about the history of automobiles. I am D. Rajesh Kumar, working as assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Let us move on to the lecture. An automobile. An automobile is simply defined as the self-propelled vehicle, which means the vehicle generates its own power to propel. That means the amount of energy required by the vehicle to move forward or backward that can be generated by itself. That is a self-propelled vehicle. Normally, an automobile in basic means it is a self-propelled passenger vehicle that usually has four wheels and an internal combustion engine used for land transport. But nowadays, an automobile is uh, what we can say in different technologies were came into the modern days, and now the vehicle is not using the internal combustion engine. There are different kinds of vehicles. One of them is the electric vehicle we use it to see in the modern days. Other than that, a hybrid vehicle, a combination of two power source, that is it can be a petrol or diesel vehicle combined with the electric power. So it can run for electric power for some times, and it can run for the run by means of the fuel for some times. That is a hybrid vehicle. So in olden days, normally an automobile is a self-propelled vehicle which has usually four wheels, and it is having an internal combustion engine used for road transport. That is a land transport. The history, the automobile history was came into picture in the year 1679 by inventor Nicholas Joseph Cognot. He is a French scientist who invented the steam-powered tricycle. So it has a three wheels, and it operates by means of the steam energy. So its speed is 2.25 miles, and its weight is about 2500 kilograms. In the 1804, the world's first internal combustion engine was discovered by the French scientist. His name is Francois Isaac de Rivas. His engine is called de Rivas engine, which is the world's first IC engine, which is a hydrogen powered combined with the oxygen. It is a spark ignited engine. Its vehicle weight is about 1000 kilograms. You can see the basic structure of this vehicle. In 1880, we know the father of the automobile, the Karl Benz, who invented the single cylinder four stroke engine. So you can see it is like a tricycle. In 1880, it was invented. This is the first car which is used in the roads. You can see its specification. It is a three wheel, and it is a electric ignited engine. It is cooled by means of water. So here the gas or petroleum is used as a fuel here. The cylinder capacity is bore is 116 mm, and the stroke is 160 mm. So it is a 1000 cc engine, and it is a zero point 0.8 horsepower engine. Its maximum speed is about 16 kilometer per hour. So it is commercialized as a 1600 cc engine later on. You can see the timeline of the first vehicle, that is a petrol vehicle invented by automobile father of automobile, the Karl Benz. The timeline 1885 to 1886. Later on, the same timeline, the Daimler is a combination of two companies. One is led by Gottlieb Daimler, and another one is Wilhelm Maybach. They both invented a vehicle that is a four wheeler, and you can see it is a lightweight, fast, and it is a gasoline injected carburetor model. and it is high speed is about 1000 rpm, 800 to 1000 rpm. In 1894, Emil Levasseur, who invented a twin cylinder engine, that is a multi cylinder engine, and it traveled the first journey made to Britain of 90-kilometer journey on 5th July 1895. So, as like Carl Benz, the Ford Motor Company, that is Henry Ford, who discovered, who designed the Model T, that is very famous, and you can see this model in the picture. So that's it about the lecture, and these are the references I have prepared for the slides. Thank you.